Welcome to zipBoard, the ultimate collaboration and project management platform. In this video, we will explore the roles and capabilities of two essential users, the super admin and the admin. Meet the super admin. As a super admin, you hold the keys to the kingdom. Let's see what you can do. Upon signing up for zipBoard, the super admin kicks off the journey. During setup, you will provide crucial information such as your organization's name, domain name, and many more. Once your organization is set up and running, you have unparalleled power. You can add and remove managers, control billing for your organization, and access everything zipBoard has to offer. Need assistance in managing your projects? Super admins can invite managers and admins to join the organization, streamlining collaboration and delegation. Now let's talk about the admin. Admin plays a pivotal role in defining project workflows. Admins have the authority to set up project phases, define statuses, integrate third-party tools, create tags, and even establish custom stamps. While admins can't handle billing and member management like super admins, they do get access to all projects and reports within the organization. Together, super admins and admins form a dynamic duo, ensuring that your organization operates smoothly, with projects running efficiently. So, whether you're a super admin with the keys to the kingdom or an admin defining project workflows, zipBoard empowers you to collaborate seamlessly and reach new heights of productivity. zipBoard, where collaboration meets efficiency.